Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make orange sherbet ice cream. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of freshly squeezed orange juice, 1 cup of whole milk, and 1 cup of granulated sugar. For an extra layer of flavor, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a small pinch of orange zest. Make sure all your ingredients are well chilled. This helps achieve the perfect creamy texture. Now, let's prepare our sherbet base. In a large bowl, combine the 1 cup of granulated sugar with the 2 cups of fresh orange juice. Whisk these together vigorously for about 2 minutes, or until the sugar is completely dissolved. Next, gently stir in the 1 cup of chilled whole milk, the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and the pinch of orange zest. Give it a good stir to ensure everything is perfectly blended. With our base ready, it's time for the magic of churning. Pour the entire chilled mixture into your ice cream maker's frozen bowl. Follow your specific machine's instructions, but generally, you'll churn for about 20 to 25 minutes. You're looking for a consistency similar to soft-serve ice cream. This churning process incorporates air, giving the sherbet its delightful, light texture. Once churned, transfer your soft sherbet into an airtight container. Place it in the freezer for at least 4 hours, or until it reaches your desired firmness. This final freezing step allows the flavors to fully develop and the texture to set. When you're ready to enjoy, let it sit out for about 10 minutes to soften slightly. Then scoop and savor your delicious homemade orange sherbet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.